Okay, for this drawing activity, you only need a couple of items. So you're going to make sure to get your white colored pencil from your bin within your colored pencil box. And then you're going to need a skinny black piece of paper and then a little bit of a bigger black piece of paper. And what we're going to be doing is we are going to practice our shading and creating value of using only white on black to do a practice activity of an ice cream cone, okay? So the very first thing that I would like you to do is you are going to create a 7-point value scale. So it's going from lightest to darkest, okay? So I say 7 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spaces, okay? So this does not need to be fancy. It doesn't need to be huge, although like don't make it super tiny. I would just start kind of by creating a rectangle and do your best to even it out into 7 equal spaces. You can see that mine are not even. It's okay. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that'll work. So what this is going to do, and I'm not going to complete the entire thing here for you, but what it's going to do is it's going to talk with you about pencil control, okay, and adding the right amount of pressure. Okay, so when we're doing this, and we can really see it on here, you've got to make sure that you're keeping your colored pencil marks close together and they're not far apart like that, okay? One of the things that you guys will probably try to do, and it's not really going to work with this, is unlike using like a graphite pencil, it's not going to smear if we want to blend it. So it all has to be with pressure, okay? So your 7-point value scale is the first thing that you will do. Once you've completed that, you will get a piece of paper that is this size. And I have a bunch of different ice cream cones that are already printed off. So you can get one of those from me, or if you would like to look up your own image and use that as a reference, you totally can, okay? So what the purpose of this is we are going to enlarge this for our drawing. So I have a couple started. So here you can see that I have half of the ice cream cone started here, and I just have the contour outline. And then what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start finding the whitest areas first to kind of start bringing that to life, okay? Here's another view, okay, that I have that I kind of drew it as if it was like tilting off the page like that, okay? So what I would encourage you to do is this ice cream cone should be like, look at the size difference here. This should be, your drawing should be like 3 to 4 times the size of what this image is, okay? Get creative with it. It's okay if it runs off the side of the page. If you want to do something a little bit different with it to express your creativity, please, by all means, do that. But really what this is going to do is it's going to show us a different way of drawing and creating value in shadows using only a white colored pencil.